Okay, this is Reading Tai Chi. We're going to finish up the second section of the Yang style long form. In the last video, we went from hid tiger, and we step back, sink, we do a heel kick, leg comes in, fingers go together, separate over your knee, sinking and step to the diagonal, and touch ears, close fists. Okay, so from this position here, we rise, our hands are up, shift our weight back, turn our foot to the north, then sink forward. The right hand goes under, rise, turn to the left foot, sink, rise, and heel kick. Okay, so again, from here, shift my weight back. That allows me to turn my right foot, sink forward, rise, sink, heel kick. Now at this point there's a turn, and there's people in different forms teach in different ways. But the way I'm going to show you is to simply put our foot down and point the toes towards each other. And we're going to put the weight on the left leg and then pivot the right foot all the way to the south. And then step to the rear diagonal. So again, from here, rise, sink, kick. I sink, putting my foot down, turn the foot, and step. Now, once again, I said there's different ways to do this. Some people do a real quick spin, but one of the rules of Tai Chi is that everything should be even, and an even pace when you're doing this, so this keeps it at an even pace. So one more time, sink, kick, toes point towards each other. Pivot, turn the right foot, and step. And you can also, if you need to, pick your foot up. If you're in your yard or there's a stone, don't be afraid to pick your foot up to do this. It gives you flexibility. So when we step here, what we're going to do is we're going to sink. The right arm's going to come down, the left hand will go under, rise, sink, and we do a heel kick to the west. At this point, we sink, deflecting down, rise, parry, and push. And this will end the same way as the end of the first section. Withdraw the arm, push, with finally turning back to the front. And then we go up to here, fold our hands in, and then we start the third section, which is just like at the end of the first section. Okay, so let's review that again. So from hid tiger, I rise, step back, draw the foot back, heel kick, sink, step out, rise, and sink. Rise, shift my weight back, come forward, sink, heel kick. Put my feet down, put the weight on the left, turn the right foot on the heel, shift my weight on the right, step through, sink, rise, heel kick, deflect down, and parry, and to the end. So let's think about doing this in a different direction so you can see. So I'm going to start from this way, from here. So I rise, step back, sink, kick, sink, separate the hands, rise, and sink. And I'm going to shift my weight back, step forward, rise, sink, kick. Put my left foot down, put weight on it, pivot the right foot, step to the south, sink on the left leg, rise, sink, heel kick, and then deflect down, parry, and all the way through, just like the end of the first section. I'll do this one more direction, because I'm not sure which is the best for you to see, but from this way, rise, step back, you can probably follow on this one, kick, sink, step out, rise, and sink. Shift your weight back, turn your right foot to the north, right hand goes under, sink, rise and heel kick. Put your foot down, left foot down, pivot the right foot. And what's another point is to keep your arms there like attached, this is a hub, these are the spokes. They all work together. And then step through, sink, final kick, and then sink and deflect down, parry. Once again, this is all a repeat. Push with the closed right hand, ward out the arm, sink, push, turn the left foot, turn the right foot, sinking, ending the second section, rise, and then we go into carry tiger, return to mountain, starting the third section, which we already have the next video. Okay, so that's the end of the second section of the Reading Tai Chi's Yang style long form.